Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Mitsuko, and before we start the tutorial today, I just want to let you know that my posting schedule has changed. I will be posting a new video every Monday. So I'm starting off the look with the eyes, and I want them to be very effortless, simple, and that's why you'll see all of the shades I'm using are very close to my skin tone. Now the first step is to use the Fenty concealer just to prep my eyes. And I'm also using Coconutty just to set my eyes. Now to really add some depth to my lids, I'm also using similar shades from the Soft Glam palette. Now really take your time to build up the intensity on the outer part of your lid and then creating a barely there wing. Now I'm cutting my crease using the same concealer from Fenty and going on top of that with a shade that is exactly the same from the Soft Glam palette, and the two together are really beautiful because it looks like I'm not wearing anything on my lids. After setting my eyes with the first shade, I'm just going in and cleaning up the edges, making sure everything is still there and showing up. Finish up the eyes, I'm using a beautiful apricot shimmer from NARS, and I'm only putting that on my cut crease. Using an oldie but goodie, this is the NARS Radiant Foundation, and I have it in the shade Macao. I am Macao across the board for all the NARS foundation, but look at this, my skin is skinning. Now I'm contouring, concealing, and highlighting. I love a good highlight, so I'm using a brightening powder from Charlotte Tilbury just in my T-zone and under my eyes. Also using an all-over finishing powder from NARS in the shade Meza. Truly love this one. It's really light and it just sets everything in place. Then in between, if ever you find that your concealer is dry or your face is a little bit powdery, you can always use a hydrating spray. I use the one from Tatcha, her Luminous Dewy Spray, and I love it. For the blush, I wanted to experiment a little bit, so I'm mixing two of my favorite blushes together. One from Dennis & Merrick's, which is creamy, and then the other one from Freck Beauty, which is a little bit more liquid. Mixing the two on the back of my hand and then just applying it and blending it on my face. To bring back some warmth to my face, I'm bronzing using the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in the shade Deep, and then on my cheeks I'm using the Pat McGrath blush. This one is in the shade Desert Orchid. It has a little bit of shimmer to it, nothing too much, it's pretty subtle. smoking my bottom lash line using a bronzer from Fenty and then going in with a cream eyeshadow in my waterline just to open up my eyes. So I'm finishing up the look with a neutral combo using the chestnut lip liner, Fenty lipstick, and also a Fenty gloss. I found that this combo is beautiful with this look. Now that's everything for today. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Now if you haven't done it already, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.